equals to 90. Therefore x minus y equals to 10. Equation number 1. Condition 2, opposite direction. Now when they are traveling in opposite direction, the speeds get added up, and when they are traveling in the same direction, the speeds get subtracted, means netted off. So speed equals to x plus y. Again distance is same 90, and time is 9 upon 7 given. Therefore time into speed, 9 upon 7 into x plus y equals to 90. Therefore x plus y equals to 70. Equation 1 and 2 we have now. X minus y 10, x plus y 70. Solve them 1 plus 2. You get 2x equals to 80, x equals to 40. Now put it in 1. Therefore 40 minus y equals to 10. Therefore y equals to 40 minus 10, 30. Therefore the speed of the trucks are 40 kilometers and 30 kilometers per hour. Right? Okay. Arun and Prabhat have some books with them. Once Prabhat said to Arun that if Arun gives him three books to Prabhat, then Arun will have only half of the books that Prabhat will have at that time with him. Then Arun asked frankly that if Prabhat gives him only 2 books, then Prabhat will have as many books as Arun will have. Therefore, the total number of books with Arun and Prabhat is, problem is quite simple. Arun and Prabhat, let Arun have x and Prabhat have y. Condition 1 is what? 3 books are exchanged. Arun gives 3 books to Prabhat. So x minus 3 and y becomes y plus 3, right? 3 less from here, 3 more to here. So what is given? It is half. So x minus 3 equals to 1 upon 2 into y plus 3. Solve this. So you get 2 here. 2x minus 6 equals to y plus 3. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.